Hola, Señora Vaz here with instructions for today. Today you will have your final assessment. I'm going to give you your warm-up points, your actividad inicial 10 points for participating in a Quizlet Live. And this is how we're going to do it, like we have been doing it. Every time that somebody wins, you come here, get your stamp, and we just keep playing with the ones. But I would like for you to practice. So we're going to be practicing the vocabulary prior to taking our final assessment. And for your final assessment, this is where you find, oops, sorry, 1 minute. All right, it's fixed. Okay, as usual, last name, first name, and look, it's not 10 points anymore, it's just 5. So in this one, it says choose the appropriate response to the questions or statements. So I have something here, give you 4 options, you select the one, you know how you do it. You know how to do it. It's very simple, just to choose the correct one, the correct answer. For part 2, choose the answer that best completes each sentence. So I have this, and there's a missing word, and I give you like a word bank here. So you select the one that you think is gonna complete the question or the phrase best. Then you move to the next page. In the next page is about numbers, time, and body parts. And this first part is an audio part. I have this audio that I recorded here. You listen to it. You are going to pay attention. They say, and here's the instructions. Play the video with the audio recorder. You can play and pause the audio as needed. Then go to the question and type the number of the house for each person and then the time that they call in this format. You're going to do this. Avoid extra spaces or periods so you don't get it wrong. This form cannot be edited, so please do not rush over it. Just think about it and do it the right way. In this one says Señora Rodriguez house number. So what you have to do is just listen to the number and just type it here. I don't think that's the number, but anyway. And then it says Señora Rodriguez time. So the time she called. So she's gonna say son las 7 de la mañana o son las 6:30 de la mañana. So you type 6:30 or 7, depending on what you hear. Please pay attention and put in the same with the second one. Señor Sanchez. First the house number, then the time. House number, time, and so on. And this part 4 is about numbers. You're going to write the number of these words that I'm giving you. So I give you the words and you just put the number there. And for the last part, it says part of the bodies, the parts of the body. So you look at the picture that you have there and then you select the correct answer that you have in the options. And then you submit. Now let me tell you this. I know that you have access to your answers and I just expect that you do things right. I remind you that you need to do things the right way, show what you have been learning, practice what you have been learning, and I just trust that you're going to do the right thing. Okay? If you have any questions on how to answer your test, I will help you. And I'll see you in class. Adios. Oh, I forgot to say, I wish you luck. Good luck. Buena suerte. Let's and I forgot to go and say here's the video for the audio in case that the audio doesn't work. And it says that for next class you're going to review the alphabet sound. And I put a video here for the alphabet sounds. I have forgot that. You play them. And then you're gonna practice that. Okay, now I'll see you later. Hasta pronto.